Can we just go look, Mom? Please, the young girls asked their mother. Okay, but we are not bringing anything home.
Right. Okay, so we're going to practice. As soon as we add in this sentence, we're going to practice how you're going to say it in front of the class.
Yeah, because you can't just go, can we just go look, Mom, please, girl?
Yes, exactly. And as it is on my piece of paper here, it says they need to memorize the story tale and the rate, the tempo, the volume, the articulation, the pitch, the tone, the emphasis, and even sound effects. So maybe at the end you could go, meow.
That'd be funny.
Something like that. So, I know you've been working on this for a really long time, so we're going to move on from this, and you are going to be working on some of your math here. You have your quiz due, so you do what you can on your math quiz, and when you hit a hard spot, let me know and we're going to explain it. But how it's going to work, we've decided, is that you're going to work through all the quizzes that you can, and when you hit something that you don't know, we're going to mark it and work on that. But we feel like you're doing well enough in math, you may be able to advance. So if you, because you're on quiz 8 right now, and you haven't hit anything that's too terribly hard for you. So we're trying to find your weaknesses. So you're going to continue to work on this quiz. And when you find something that you cannot figure out or you need help with, let me know, and we'll work through it. And I'll mark it. And so we're going to find the areas that you need help in by figuring out the questions that you can't get. So you continue to work on quiz 8.
What do we have to do here?
Okay, so now your math, we are doing, okay, so you got the markers that you need.
Yeah. I already covered.
Your math assignment.
Yes.
Oh, you did some of this when I was with Kay. Okay, so right here it says, actually, can you read this?
No.
You can try. I know this is a big word, but you know this word, this sight word.
The.
Yes. Write the yeah. Number.
Write the number.
Yes.
Write the number.
The at.
That.
Yes. Write the number that
comes
and this is a very tricky one. I'll help you with this. Between.
between.
Yes. Write the number that comes between. So we're going to use this number chart. So we have 126, and I'll use your marker if you don't mind. 126. So let's find 126 on here. We have 126, right? And then they left us a blank. And what comes after that one? 126, blank, 128. What is this number? Did you, 126, 126, 100 and
27.
and 120?
8.
Yes. So I noticed you left this one blank.
Yeah.
100, so let's find 158. 158 is here. What comes right after 158 on this chart? 158?
159.
Yes. 158, 159, 160.
Good.
So you need to write 159, 159.
1,
Look right up here at the chart.
5,
5.
9.
Yes.
5.
So let's see if you got the rest right. 125, 126, 127, 128. Correct. 158, 159, 160. 135, 136, 137. 143, 100 and... What does this say? 144, like you wrote. 145. Great.
Excuse me?
Yep.
I'm doing this probably going back.
Okay. So I'll read it out loud to you, and if you still don't know, we're going to put a little star by it so we know to come back.
Okay.
Write each number below using digits, and don't forget your commas.
So like,
352 million.
but like I don't get what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, So they're writing it out,
Uh-huh.
and you have to write the number. So there,
Oh.
you write the number. You have to write this number: 352,759,486. They're saying on this line, write that number.
Okay.
And down here it says write the number 471,000. How would you write 471,000?
Right.
Do you remember your place value? So ones, tens, hundreds,
I remember.
comma,
I remember. Yeah. Like, so would it be like this though?
471, comma.
Okay.
How many zeros?
3?
Yep, exactly.
So like that.
Yep, exactly right.
And then,
This one's a little trickier because this is
yeah,
this is thousands. How many more zeros do we need for millions?
6.
Uh-huh. So you have this number plus 6. So you have this number plus 6.
Wait, so like this times it?
Well, so we have 352 million 759,486. So you have your hundreds, thousands, millions. You did good down here. Okay, so this, Aubrey, write the numbers in the blanks.
Yeah.
And we're working with money.
Oh.
So just as
Oh,
a
because,
quick
like-
question, how many pennies are in a nickel?
How many pennies are in a nickel?
Yep.
Wait, so how much is it? A nickel.
How much is a nickel? Is it 5 or 10?
5.
Yeah, 5 pennies in a nickel.
Okay, so that's 5.
So now we have apple. How many pennies is apple? Each apple is how many?
7.
Yes, so we need to write 7 here. 7,
7.
apple. 7. How much is each grape worth?
No, not 6.
Each grape is worth,
8.
yes, so 7 and 8. And you choose the manipulator. Would you like bears or coins?
Bear.
Okay. So write 8 here, and I'll go get your bears. Okay. So, oh, did you write how much is the grape worth? Oh, how much is the grape worth?
How much are the grapes worth?
Right.
8.
8, yes. So line up 7.
It's not bear.
7.
It's not bear.
So get 7 bears, and I'll get 8 bears. We're going to add them together.
I have no idea how to do this.
Okay, yep, that's a really large one. Let's put a star on it, and we'll come back to that.
Okay.
So you have the number 7, and I have 8. 3, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, I need one more.
Here you go.
I only got 6.
Okay, now you have 7, and I have 8. You ready to combine them? How many do you have?
Okay, so let's get. Can I count by? I want to count by 2.
Great.
So,
Skip counting.
so 2, 4, and then 6,
Yes?
and then 8,
Yep.
and then 8,
8.
10,
Yep.
and then after 10 is no, it's 12.
12.
12, and then 14,
Yep.
and then 15.
Great. Okay, so go ahead and put 15 on the line.
Oh, can I have the next spot?
There you go.
Thank you.
I don't get this either.
Okay, which one is it?
This one.
Curly. I'll read it out. If you still don't get it, we'll put a circle by it. Curly Q attends her gymnastics class. 11 months out of the year. Write a fraction to show which part of the year she attends. So, you know a fraction, you have to have top and
Yeah,
bottom.
yeah.
So she has how many months in a year? It says right here, there are 12 months in a
Wait,
year.
so that's 11 out of 12?
Yes.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
I just didn't get it, sorry.
That's good. Okay, so this is going to be our last math problem, both of you, and we're going to move on to sassafras.
Okay.
So, cherry. How much is a cherry worth? Each cherry is worth how many cents?
5.
Yes, so 5. How many is each banana worth?
9.
Yes, 9.
And
So, do we need to use the bears, or can you use by memory? Do you know what 9 out of 5 is?
no,
You don't. Do we need to use the bears?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get
Just do it
I'll,
like bit
I'll
like
be.
that because I can't. There's no room.
This is 4, and that's 5. You be the 5, I'll be the 9. So wait. Okay, so I'll give you.
So, wait,
I have 4.
So you finish that, you're done. You need to wait for us to do sassafras. You can look at it just to see what you're reading in your book.
So wait, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Can I get your last two? 8. Itty bitty 9. Okay, so I have 5 and you have 9. Ready?
Middle.
How many do you have?
Okay. So I'll count.
And how many cherries? We have 5
4.
cherries and 9.
I'll count by 4.
4.
4.
Okay.
And then after 4, 5,
Yes, you may.
6, 7, 8. And then we got 8.
Got
And then we got these. And then, so this, okay, so we got 10, and then those are 2, 10, and then 12. This is 12,
Okay.
13, 14.
Very good, Obs.
14.
Very good. Can I tell you about a way that I would add 9 add 5?
Sure.
Well, 9 is 1 away from 10, right?
Yeah.
So if you have 9 and you took 1 away, that would be 4. 10 add 4 is
10 add 4 is,
14.
Yeah, that's
so
cool.
here's 14. Go
Because
ahead,
like
write 14 there.
half of,
Because 10 add anything is so easy.
yeah, because 10, so because like 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Right.
And then
Super.
you already got so we take like a few of the 9s, and then we get, get some 5s, so we add up to 10, and then we get, and then after we add up to the 10, we can, and if we have 4 more, 1, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 14.
14, go ahead. Okay, so good job with the math.
Wait, no, the one goes in front.
So you have your homework done now with this, which is great. So we'll put that over there. And now the last thing we have to work on, but this is something we're going to do as a group. Sassafras. So we're reading the Sassafras book, which is teaching you zoology, which zoology is the
Like animals.
study of animals, yep. And we have read through, and we've talked about many animals, but what was the last animal we talked about?
The elephant?
Yes. Yes. And does anyone remember anything interesting about the elephant?
Ooh,
What?
they can pick up, they have, they can pick up boy elephants can pick up, like, if they can't reach, the leaves on a tree, they just pull it down. Like a tree.
Boy
can-
elephants?
Yeah.
Like
Like
alpha
men.
like the biggest,
Oh, the big ones.
the biggest alpha males, they can actually, if they want leaves that bad, they can push over a whole tree, a whole tree here.
Wow.
And they can also pick up a man with only their trunk.
Wow.
I think a mom
Interesting.
can do that. A mom can pick up,
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be reading to you about the giraffe,
Mhm.
which is a mammal.